Guys, so today we're gonna make downpipe ourselves. You guys seen a little B-roll clips before we purchased a cheap Amazon welder, and we're gonna hope that we're able to get some welds in. So let's see where we have to line up. So pretty much that's where we are right now. Thinking about chopping it lower just a tad bit to then bring it over, because we got some 45s and some 90s. So I'm thinking if we're able to, if we are able to, because I was like, oh, maybe I can just get away with that. And then we got a 90 here, but the 90 is definitely not gonna work, as we'd have to get like a super tight pie cut right there, which I don't think we're gonna be able to get.
Dude, no!
Alrighty, so we got the V-band. There you go, we got it tacked up in the spot that James marked. So let's hope it fits on the car.
Thanks for the shout out, bro. We keep it real.
So it's mocked up. Got some tacks there, just test fitted it, fits in the car. So now we're gonna start welding it up, and then obviously try and make sure it still fits, but let's get it welded up. V-band on. Looks good. Looks all right. What do you think?
She's attached?
She's attached. Let's go underneath and try to bolt her up. All right, guys. So we got it bolted up. I just got to tighten the V-band up top, but I mean, once I bend this bracket to right where it was, because usually I have to bend it anyway, and we should be good to go. So let's go up top, bolt it up, and hear how it sounds. Start it up. All right. Check for leaks. Probably have some. Yeah, a couple right where I thought I would. So a couple leaks right where I thought I would, but sounds really good. Oof. Hell yeah.
Watching your center. Nice and quiet.
Look at that. Did not get any of that. Oh well. I'm hyped, guys. We got it welded up by me. Super hyped. Now we just gotta finish it up, finish the welds up, and and get it in. We got the strut bar in too, as you guys saw in like that random clip, but we're getting ready to be done. What do you think, James?
Looks good, man.
So we made up the O2 bung, not the prettiest thing in the world. Definitely note to self, don't weld this up like this bung with this guy in. That was not the move. Welding it with this guy, with like this nut in, was not the move. Just made it. Pretty close, but hey. Fit. Ooh, I'm nervous that when I get into the car, my fat ass is gonna make it touch, but all right. Let's set tire pressures. We're in alignment, guys, if I haven't said anything. So we're gonna go database, LS, no air suspension, mount sensors. So after the angle kit, install, toes all puffed, I knew that. So I'm gonna ignore it. Okay, now we're gonna turn the wheel left to right, start turning the wheel. Got a brake depressor. Now we turn the wheel in relations to the screen. Now we gotta get out of the way of the sensors. Same, we're still out. Turn the wheel slightly, right there. So that's our center. And look how far off we are. Bring her up. I like that. Great. We got everything in. Now let's get to adjustments. So there is our settings. Got a lot of camber in the front. A lot of camber in the back. I didn't know we had that much camber in the back. 4 degrees. Jeez. But let's get this, can we adjust the toe in the back? Yeah, I might adjust that right rear toe. Get it a little better. This toe arm, just to get that toe where we need it to be. So now our rear is good, toe wise, so now we're gonna do our front. Then we just go for a little test drive, make sure it's all good. All right, car drives a lot better instantly. Just to make sure you guys can still see me. Oh, we can't leave the shop, so. Car's not in sync. And you guys are gone. There you go. Alright. Sorry guys, you guys dropped on first little pull. But car drives straight. Sounds good. Car sounds insane. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. We just got the exhaust made. We did a quick alignment and we installed that Cusco strut bar. So for next, we just gotta make sure everything's good before our first drive, but we should be real close. So stay tuned to the next video. See you guys.